So there's probably 1 to 2 reasons why you don't have this kit in your possession. Number 1, you're skeptical of Color Street, either the product or the industry. You think it's a scam. Well, I've already told you why it's not, right? So the other reason would be that you don't think that you can do it. Either you think you don't have enough money to get started, you think you don't have enough time because you are super, super busy, or you don't think you know enough people. Well, I can tell you that you know more people than you think. The reason you should start is because you don't have any money. We're gonna work on that together. And the time that it takes to run your Color Street business depends on you and your own personal life. We will find time for you to carve out to make this business work for you. So what's left? You don't believe in yourself. Well, I'm here to tell you that you need to get out of your own way. Get out of your own way. It's risk-free. So give it a shot. Give yourself a shot. We hope you join the Team Glitter and Grace family, and I can't wait to welcome you.